Alrighty, so here we are. If you're just here for entertainment, it's great. But if you're installing these switches in your RTV in the future, this is how I do it. I'm trying to clickbait you. It is what it is. It's all real time. Talk you through it. But the truth is, if you just cut that blue tape off and put the switches in and plug these connections into them, you're gonna put this back. These switches are gonna pop back out on you every single time. So what we're gonna do is very, very carefully. Let's turn that power off. We don't need that anymore. We're gonna tape all this tape off right here. There's literally. Oh, is it running? Jim, we're running. Hope Ted wasn't out there this whole time. Alright, so now you really want to be careful, because they literally have gone around these wires about 50 times. Oh my God. Come on. Alright, here we go. Whew. Freaking my nails on this. Alright, very, very carefully. We'll just cut through these a little bit. And, you know, trying to find that. It's so thick here, you just keep slice away. There we go. Now that we're getting really, really close, we can just kind of spread it right to those pink wires there. Come on, Jim. Western Mass is not like the Northeast. That's like Vermont. That's like the Northeast Kingdom. Alright, now look at all these wires. Now they have a lot more room. We can just go ahead and put this back on, because now they have all this room to float. Now we can pop off that for the front lights, that for the rear light, that for the strobe light. Let's throw those on the floor. Front lights, I want to say, is the white one. Before we go too far. Here we go. There's our worker. The rear lights is the blue one. Like I said, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold these switches in here. I'm gonna give these wires a little contouring. Be afraid to give them a little contour so they'll stay where they want to a little bit better, a lot bit better. Alright, so what do we have here? That's, I think it's 2 and 3. Right.
I just flipped it back myself. Chain goes all the way around the blade.
2? Yeah, there it is. Just get the light the right way. 2 and 3. And I believe it's this one right here with the little rubber booty on it. Alright, Jim, it's time to put that Toyota outside and the Kubota back inside. Oop, that's on. See it blinking on the wall, that's off. On, off. On, off. Alright, good. Push it straight in. See that the red part of the switch is in all the way, so we just had to add it. Alrighty. No radio. Alright, let me pop this radio cover out. Pull this wire up into this little cavity up here. Just roll it up, nice and neat. Just to, huh? Did it just pull a disappearing act? Sneaky little machines. I got the key off, and let's just try to get these wires put away. And all those switches. Just go ahead and get this one started a little bit. Beep. Is this light working? Oh, yeah. Pin it. Oh. Alright, all the switches stayed in place, see? I hate when they jump out on you. We still squirting? Oh, thank you. Alright. And all these switches still work. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You even check the back? Oh yeah. There you go. Back to the PDI process. Oh, Jimmy.